my sons. Enjoy some delicious food.
Thank you.
Feel free to help yourself to more. I'll take some. Please, have some more. Have some more. Not like that, my son, not like that. Perhaps you should put your whole foot into your bowl to help you peel it properly. I'm sorry if I embarrassed you, my son. I was trying to teach proper table manners.
Thank you, Abby. And thank you for a very nice meal. Thank you all for coming. Let me give you some Cheerios. You soup? Cheerios? You want Cheerios? You. Let me give you some. Let me serve you. Ooh. Oh, the Rabbi Akiva's Cheerios are falling. Rabbi Akiva, is it that you really had to take that piece of bread? Like there's so many other ones there.
I thought you would get the hint. Bread is food. It should not be used as a tool.
Thank you, Rabbi Akiva and Azat coming to my house. I think that's good.
How about you drink this yourself?
Thank you. Here, this looks good.
How about you drink this one yourself too?
How many times are you going to drink from that cup? Like, don't you know that you're not supposed to give a guest a cup that you already drank from?